Alright chaps, this is our last lesson of the week and it's actually really easy. Just a quick recap of the distributive law. It sounds very confusing, but you've done it, you know it, no doubt. Okay? The distributive law tells you that if you have A, some kind of number, times C plus D inside the brackets, okay? So really, in BOD maths, you say, I need to add C and D first and then multiply by A. But what the distributive law tells you that what you also can do is that you can say, okay, but that's the same as doing A times C plus A times D. Okay, I'm sure you remember it from last week. We've been working on it for quite a few times. So all I'm going to do now is just show you a few cases to make sure we're all speaking the same language. So 3x times x plus 3. Okay, so I'm going to multiply 3x times x, which is 3x squared, plus 3x times 3 plus 9x. Can I do anything here? The answer is not, because I've got x squared and x. These are different things. I can't add them anymore. You always have to ask yourself, can I add them or subtract them? Okay? Let's have a look at this one. Okay, I've got, this one is 2x minus 2, and then I've got to do this, plus 3x squared minus 3x times 2 is minus 6x. Now I've got to ask myself, is there something I can do? And the answer is yes, because 2x and 6x are the same kind of type. So I must add them together, okay? It's customary usually to write down the highest exponent first. So the first one will be 3x squared. Now the x's. What is 2x minus 6x? I hope you all don't have to think too much about that. That's minus 4x minus 2. And that's the answer. That's what you call a trinomial, remember? Right, sometime you'll have what we call a multiplication or product of two binomials. Okay, so it's not just a times c plus d, but with x minus 5 times x plus 2. Again, I'm sure you remember how to do it. Okay, we're going to do first of all x squared, then x times 2 is plus 2x, minus 5x, minus 10 is the final one. Okay, is there something I can do? Are there any terms that I like? Correct, 2x is minus 5x. So the answer is going to be x squared minus 3x minus 10. Again, trinomial. Trinomial means 3 terms. Okay, sometimes, in this case, I multiply a binomial by a trinomial. Okay, so it's just a little bit more confusing, but it's not more difficult. Okay, so first of all, 2x times x, 2x squared. Just going to be methodical. I personally multiply that by that, that by that, that by that, and then this by that, this by that, this by that. 2x times 2y is 4xy. Okay? 2x times minus 1 minus 2x. Okay, let's do the other side. Minus 1 times x minus x minus 1 times 2y minus 2y, and last one minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. Okay, now I need to look for some terms that are like terms. Okay, so I've got xy by itself. I just have 2x and x. Minus 2x minus 2x. Minus 2x minus 6. So I'm going to have 2x squared minus 3x plus 4xy minus 2y plus 1. And that's it. Right, well done. You finished the first week. Have a lovely weekend.